Hi crafty friends, Liza here, Cheeky Bum, back with another embellishment box swap, and this one is from Liza, and this stuff, I just see all kinds of cuteness. Look at her little box that she's made, or like little luggage thing that she's made. Oh no, I didn't even notice this. We did have a casualty. I'll open that in a second, but she's got this coffin. It's like a coffin flask, but I hear stuff in there, so I don't know what she's got. Oh, she's got it. It's like a whimsy jar. So she's just got so much stuff in here. There's bones, there's beads, there's bells, there's all kinds of stuff in here. So that's definitely going to be a nice surprise for her swap partner. And then in this bag right here, so we have some little planner things, little planner stickers. And then she's got, let's see what else she's got in here. Oh no, oh no. We're gonna fix this. This is where all the sequins and little stuff is coming from. So she had a casualty with her shaker, but I'm pretty sure I can fix that. So I'm gonna try to fix that for her. But in here, she's got some die cuts and stamping. She does like to do stamping stuff. Ooh, she's got some vinyl stuff for you as well. So like, this is, wow, brain fart. Oh, spider web. And then she's got like this little like frame, spooky frame. She's got some October 31st stickers and then a boo sticker. And then these I think are either stickers or little tattoos. Oh, there are little stickers in there. So little stickers. I see candy corns. Those are cute. She's got this little spider pick. We have a little sheet of stickers. We have, these are cupcake wrappers, but I cut these up and use them in like my crafting, like in the background, like little spider web stuff. I use these like a lot. And then she's got this sequence. They're like a sequence, but they're like a shred sequence. But look at that color. Like that color is stunning. And then she's got this little like sequin mix here for you that's got all kinds of fun things in there. So that's so fun. I'm gonna load that back up. Oh, look at all this shaker stuff. Let's see if I can't scoop them back in here. There we go. I'll glue that back together for her. And then we're gonna open this, but look how cute this is. I think this is either Monster Mash. I think this is Monster Mash collection by Echo Park. And on here, she's got like a little tassel. So she's made these like little acrylic pieces and she's put vinyl on there. She's put a tag, but she's put like one of those like little alligator type of clips or like a little ribbon clip onto a tag and just made it into a dangle. How cute is that? And then we have all kinds of beads here. And then this is Velcro. And then here's her box. I do have one of these boxes in my stash. It won't have the vinyl on it, but I'm gonna take it out of my stash and replace it so that her recipient won't get a smushed box. This is just, unfortunately, this is just part of our swap life. The mailing system isn't always nice to our stuff. I've had stuff that's been, you know, wrapped properly and just doesn't make it. I mean, it's made out of paper, it's made out of plastic, it's made out of breakable stuff. So unfortunately, just stuff like this happens. Does it suck when it does? Absolutely, but it does happen. So I am gonna replace this box. Again, it won't have the vinyl on there, but it will be a box that's not broken. So in this one, we have some bow paper clips. And we have, oh, this is cute too. This is a cute little idea. She's got like little bits and stuff in there just as decoration, but she's taken the little felty pieces and put them on clothespins. I like these. These are great to just like if you have just like a little treat bag like this to fold over and put on, like to close it up. So cute. She's got this loaded though, and this could be why it broke. I'm not quite sure. So we have a pin in this one. We have, these are erasers, but look at, she's like bejeweled the eyes. This one's fallen off, but that's okay. It's because it's just like silicone rubber. So these are eraser like pencil toppers, but you could pop this hole all the way through and like make these into charms. We have, ooh, look at this. So she's got a whole bunch of little tassels for you. We have a charm. It says Witch's Brew. We have spider web, and we have a little washi tape that has black cats. Oh, I should probably make sure that I'm like in there, right? In frame. And then let's see what she's got. Oh, wow, look at it. So she's got little boxes, and look at all these beads. Oh my gosh. So we have Boo, we have Scrappy, Spooky, we have, what is it, Monster. Just, oh, look at this wire wrapping. Girl, you've definitely evolved since I've known you, like, into all this wire wrap stuff. She's got just little charms in here. These are cool. So much fun stuff. There's bats, there's all kinds of like words, there's candy, there's vampire, like so much fun stuff in there. All kinds of wire wrap stuff, even like these little jewels, those are cool. We have there's just like a little bit of everything. Look at even one of these are so cute. Look how little that is. So cute. Just a big old box of cool. Now it's like, what's in this little box? And this little box, I love how she's done like the little pull. So this one has like ephemera and stickers. So we have more stickers. We have a sequin like mix, more little stickers. We have some picks in here. We have some phone stickers, little monster stickers. Just all kinds of fun stuff in there. So cute. Loving the little boxes. Try and get it back in. There we go. Then over here, we have just some pumpkins. We have, ooh, wax seals. These are fun. Magic potions. Like this, oh, this is a hand that has like crystals and a sun. Loving the colors. Spider webs. This is just like a little love letter, basically. A heart, but it's all like in a spooky color. This is a cauldron. She's left them blank, but you could definitely color them if you wanted. That one says Happy Halloween. Just all kinds of fun wax seals. I'm loving these like little potion bottles. Those are really cool. Okay, so fun. So fun. Love those. And then over here, she's got the sequin mix. It's very candy corn, orange, white, yellow. Oh, this could be why they did a doozy on your box. I'm sorry, girly. She had this jar, and this probably had sequin like mixy stuff in it as well. This one has some moons in there. I just hope I don't get cut. We have this one that had little bats in there. This one survived. This one's got little gold beads. These are perfect for when you're wire wrapping and you have a bead that wants to like go through the head pin and you need just like a little stopper bead. I love these ones. I use these all the time. We have a little glitter mix right here. That wasn't on tight either. Oh, they were so cute too. So some of these jars I can save. I don't know what was in the jar that broke. I think it might have been like, oops, sorry, some foam beads, but it probably just got dropped just right and that jar broke. And these ones like that are rounded, the little like rounder ones, they're just weaker than these type of bottles. So I will go through your box and try to scoop up everything I can, or I'll add some different sequins. See, she's got like, yeah, I will try to fix what I can, Liza. I'm so sorry. And it's totally not your fault. Again, the mail isn't always nice to our stuff. So I really appreciate it, Liza, for you joining another one of my swap. Make sure you give her some crafty love, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.